So fresh.
Mm.
Ngathi ngibambe bhe. Ngizika vile
Uyavela uthethe ukhambe ezintweni. Yo, check it out. NgukhaseLa lona bafethu. I know, ngeke. Find izinto ezingabhedayo manje. Yo, check it out. Yo, check it out, yo. ngukhaseLa lona on our show that we call Questions Game. Yeah, man. Otherwise, yeah, ngukhalipha Samkelo Mbanga khaseLa. Yeah, so I have this guy next to me. Ozazichaza uba ngowuphuthuthi yena uthengisa ntoni. What's up, man? What's your name and what you sell?
Well then, hi to the people who are gonna get a chance to see this. First of all, secondly, Lona Ngolibenya Richman, your Matatiel author, who happens to be selling his third produced published book, Generational Wealth: A Black Man's Legacy. That's who I am. That's what I'm about.
Okay, Black Man's Legacy. I see you.
Yeah.
How do you know about legacy anyway?
Well then, there's a lot of things I know about legacy. First of all, ndiyazi bakusolile ifanje lushiyelwa abazali. Secondly, I know legacy is information that is important, that is passed on from generation to generation. So legacy is actually a lot of things. It's what you leave that is important for the people abazayo emva kwakho.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
All right, nice. Well said. Hey, this one's cooking. Otherwise, the show is sponsored by PCT Studios. As you can see, look Ivelile somewhere. Yeah, man. So we are playing this game here, bro. Yeah?
Okay.
The questions is 5. Ne?
Okay.
So if you get 5 of them, you get 50 rand.
Interesting. I'm getting rich.
If you getting 3, if you get 3, we 30 rand. If you get less than 3, you're not getting anything.
Okay, I will do my level best. Go week.
Okay. Okay, wiki then. Okay.
Let's see how it goes.
Okay, first question. Yo, I want to prepare the question, but let's let's skip this one and the ask.
Wow, man, don't laugh.
I don't know how to pronounce this name.
Give it a try. Let's work around it.
Uzawukop.
Oh.
Okay, mavesi yeko sibili.
Okay.
All right. Which year did the book A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens published?
Yo, undizumile. All right, let's say which year. It's the 1900s, I believe. 1995. Wrong. For an author, imagine.
That's why it's prepared straightforward. Profit team is prepared straight for your author, man.
God, nin ambushile. Bekumele uma niniphe homework.
Nah, it doesn't work like that. Just for 50 rand.
Remove this part.
Anyway.
Okay, you're making it hard purposely. As you share, eh?
Okay. I'm the man for sure. I can hear myself. Anyway, second question. Are you ready?
Yeah, I think I am.
Okay. Which year was the song Sister Bettina was dropped?
Yo, like who keeps the memory of when? Okay, Sister Bettina, I was young, I remember. Not too young though. I think it was around 2007. No. All right, Sister Bettina, which year did? Let's say 204.
How hard? Hi. American. Hard.
I was just still there, perplexed, angry, disappointed, and very, very angry.
Okay, both the book was dropped in 1859. I forgot to say that. So if I'm not wrong, The song was dropped in 2006.
Yeah, but I was close. Aibo.
But it's not correct.
But then I mean, like, it's me, man.
Hey, manna. Hey, manna.
Ah, his sponsors Bugel and Pat. Does it work like that? We can chill. Okay. Next question. So on the third question now, are you ready?
I'm not anymore, but yeah, I am.
Okay. Who's the author of the book Harry Potter and the Fallopian Stone?
Hey. Oh, man, don't laugh.
Remove this part.
The Philosopher's Stone.
Philosopher's Stone,
Yeah.
Philosopher's Stone, yeah.
Honestly speaking, it's a woman, if I'm not wrong. I know the movie, but I don't know, honestly.
The initials and the surname.
J.R.
Hi.
J.R. Bani. J.R. Oh. Go to Chino Arubakon. Whippy. Yeah. No. I think no. There's J.R. I don't know J.R. Rawlings or what, but either it's the Ologle movie Harry Potter. Either he's the what exactly? Yeah, mari enye izinto ezenza be movies bekhona, eminye abantu wenza be movies bekhona. But I think yeah. I don't know, but somewhere there. But
Okay.
corner somewhere around this Harry Potter thing, I think.
Okay, so your answer is
JR something.
No, we're not closing no show. We are not closing no show. We are not closing no show.
JR something. Okay, go back at the rules of the thing. This is straightforward. We have to give us the whole thing. So it's a whippy.
No, tell me who it is.
It's a whippy because you didn't say the whole thing.
But then you said, let me try the initials.
Okay.
I tried.
It's J.K. Rowling's.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
And which is
Rollins right. I got Rollins right. I got it right.
I asked you for the last time, that what's your answer? What is J.K. something? So
I
you
said
didn't
JR.
J.R. You said
Yeah.
JR.
Yeah, I said JR.
That was the final answer.
Then I said Rollins. I came with the Rollins before you.
That was the final answer. Hence, I was asking, what is your final answer? You said JR something.
Wah, wah, wah.
So it's a.
Yeah.
Okay, question number 4. You're a fan of Tamek, Mos?
Big time. Just don't ask me years when what was released, but I can tell you a few and a lot of things about Maggie. Yeah.
Okay. It's not years, but it's gotta do with numbers.
Let's give it a try.
Okay. Do you know the song Listen, Katamek? Give me a listen.
Give me a listen, Gatamek. I think it's one of the recent in his current project.
Nah, it's one of the oldest.
I know Elephant in the Ants and Elephants. I know. Oh, there's a favorite that I like.
Rats and elephants. What
Yeah,
else?
Rats and is. Yeah, you know. Okay, but then there's this one. I feel like that song is so powerful because I relate with it. It heals the soul in a sense. Itin kaneni lengoma. It has a similarity with ngoma ka Hair Ethi Good to Me. Itin langoma. But yeah, pana ngazuthi make soft. But then either yeah. Yeah, but I love that song. I'll remember it. I'll check it out.
All right, but that one, they give me a listen. It's just mostly rap. I know you wanna dance, but listen, that's how the hook goes. Just a simple hook, yeah, man. So the song by Tamek, for the question, how many views does the music video of the song "Give Me a Listen" by Tamek have on YouTube?
Honestly, I'm just gonna try to guess because I'm sure between last time and now it's no longer the same thing, you know. So you're still tricking me in a way.
Kanjani?
Kaloku, I'm supposed to know the current thing so that the answer I am is correct. And what if I checked it out sometime in the past?
Kaloku ngicima lo mni you're the old fan yakhe.
I'm the fan of the person and the art inside the person,
Okay.
and I'm following the person,
Okay.
but I don't know everything about the person because I'm busy also.
Okay, guess again.
Okay, I think it's like 136
136 views.
views.
Brafan me.
How do you go about it?
No way, I got it right. I got it right.
That's your final answer.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe, what do you mean? Maybe?
Yes, it is.
Whippy. It's 3.2k views.
3.2k views.
Yeah. It's the most viewed video on his channel.
Shout out to you, Mac. The whole da.
Okay.
Alright.
All right. Final question. It was just long, ne? Oh, good half that, yeah. Okay, let's make it sweet for you, yabo. If you get this last question, yes, 5. So if you get this question, you get the 50 rand regards. Right, regardless.
Let's give it a try.
Regardless on your regardless.
Yeah, regardless.
Regardless. Okay, Richmond. Okay, so are you ready for this question?
I think I am.
All right. How many kilometers are between Imatati and Citaville?
Hi, Anamoto Papain. Thank you. I've lost.
I'm so disappointed in you.
45 Ks.
45 Ks!
30.
That's your final answer.
30, between 35 and 30. Yes.
Okay. What's your final answer?
Yeah. 35. 35.
35. Hey, he tried, man. But point of order.
Point of order.
Point of order, Chef. It's a whip. It's 23.5.
But who knows that?
I do, because I'm telling you.
Because you are preparing these questions so that we can get them answers wrong.
No, kaloku incwadi kubuza into ezukuthi ndibuza ngencwadi that you should know, but at least rolling zo amcho but angamfaka on your answer.
No,
Man.
ngifakile, but then I missed it ku JR Rawlings when what JK Rawlings. So at least I'm clued up, you see.
Okay. Okay. It's fine. Yazithethelele but ke wathi zokhwephika.
Salayo dikechini.
Okay, Jill. So he didn't get any of them. No, simple Rollins still like 50 rand.
Ouch. Vele bengafuni ukungigaya.
Remove this part.
Siyafuna ukunika ndiyazi.
Yeah,
The 50 rand yakumntu efumene because nam I was asked, nam preparation questions, ndabuzwa nam I didn't get any question right. So ish better guys. The 50 rand isahleli nangoku. Because I tried to PCT Studios 50 rand yakhe. This is bad.
Well, last words then for me before I disappear on your platform. I think like this. I think the reason I missed a lot is because I'm not paying attention to a lot, and mostly I'm not reading a lot, which I shouldn't be doing in Abubadinga Fundi. So as we were talking today about reading, I think I'd encourage every other person out there to start reading a lot and paying attention to even small things. That's how we grow. Thank you very much.
Well said, my author. Yeah, man. It was nice shooting this episode with the rich man. Also, so hence in interview, I'm like, okay, I'm building something, I'm cooking.
What are you saying, man? What are you saying? What is he saying?
Yeah, man, otherwise it was a nice episode. Thank you to PCT Studios for sponsoring this episode. Yes, your boy, man, Kalipa Samkelombanga, well known as Kaisler. Yeah, man. So, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, follow, comment, buy the book.
Yeah, buy the book.
Buy the book, yes, man. Black Man. Oh, Generational Wealth.
Generational Wealth. A Black Man's Legacy.
Phansi ndiyibiza le ngalena mna ndithi Black Man's Legacy.
Azalanda emnyama because you're also black.
I'm black. I'm dark, man. Yeah, I'm dark. Every time I see myself, I get darker.
Yeah,
Even more darker.
act like 3 nights in a row.
I get humble. Yeah, man. Otherwise, shout out. Thank you.
Are you looking for the best? Best photography. Best videography. We've got you covered. PCT Studios. Book us now.
Uthandela baby uhlele enhlizweni yami engqondweni yami emoyeni wami wena uyigongo kwami sangena basemathandweni kanje